like without a stone. The curiosity throw a bone. Give a cat a lie, you see. Sleep like me, stranded on the carpet. Head over curiosity, you're my alibi. Give a cat a lie, fair enough, you see. Hoping I'll forget. Falling stranded on the carpet. Head over the faucet, how the half-cut metaphor and later the cocket. Hoping I'll change it for solar. Parent got a cold white rabbit. Joke about the half-cut alien metaphor and later made her cry. Well, what's been changing in the solar? Parent got a cold white rabbit's foothold. Day. I'm standing on in space, I love the scenery. My happiness is misery, and nothing's like it used to be. Cause everybody around was way to start the day. So why the hell am I to blame? And now I'm on space, I love the scenery. I fourth wall breaking down on my feet like it used to be. Cause everybody around was feeling like a kid just finished it. So can't be undid, blame me stranded on the carpet. I don't fourth wall breaking down on my feet. The offering never blink. I'm nothing like a kid just finished it. Can't be undid. Leave me stranded on the carpet. Head under the faucet. How the half-cut metaphor and later the cocket. Hoping I'll change it for solar. Parent got a cold white rabbit. Joke about the half-cut alien metaphor and later made her cry. What's been changing in the solar? Parent got a cold white rabbit's foothold. Changing in the solar. Parent got a cold white rabbit's foothold. start the day. Standing on the space, I love the scenery. My happiness is misery, and nothing's like it used to be. Cause everybody around me's feeling sorry for himself. So why the hell am I to blame? I never underestimate the impact of the fourth wall breaking down upon my feet. The offering is never bleak. I'm listening in like a kid, just finished it, can't be undid. Leave me stranded on the carpet, head under the faucet. You're my alibi. It's fair enough, you wanna cock it, hoping I'll forget following the night.